In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report feedback on eBay in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, managing your feedback is an essential part of maintaining a good reputation on eBay. Occasionally, you might come across feedback that you feel is unfair or inappropriate. Fortunately, eBay provides a way to address this. And today, we'll guide you through the process of reporting feedback. Let's start by heading to your feedback profile. This is where you can see all the reviews you've received from other eBay users. To access your feedback profile, sign in to your eBay account. Once you're logged in, find the My eBay section at the top of the page. Hover your mouse over this section to reveal a drop-down menu. Then, select Account, which will direct you to a detailed overview of your account activities. Here you'll find your feedback profile listed under the Personal Information or Reputation section, depending on your account view settings. Clicking here will open your full feedback history, showing both your given and received feedback. Now that we're in the feedback profile, the next step is to select the specific review you'd like to report. Browse through your feedback and locate the review in question. Look for details such as the username of the person who left it and the date it was posted. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct review, as reporting feedback is a process you want to approach carefully. Accidental reports might lead to misunderstandings, so double-check to confirm it's the feedback you intend to report. With the correct feedback identified, you're ready to click on Report Feedback. Beside each review, there should be a small option or link labeled as Report Feedback. This may appear as a button or a hyperlink, usually found next to the comment itself. Clicking this option will open a new page dedicated to reporting issues with feedback. Now it's time to submit the reason for reporting the feedback to eBay. On this page, you'll notice a form asking for specifics on why you're reporting the feedback. Here, you should provide a concise but detailed explanation. This might include specifics about how the feedback violates eBay's policies, any misunderstanding, or evidence that can support your claim. Providing comprehensive information will help eBay understand your perspective and expedite the review process. Make sure to be clear and factual, as eBay reviews these reports to decide on the appropriate action. Once you've completed the form with all the necessary information, go ahead and submit it. After submission, eBay will review the report, and you'll receive an update via your eBay messages or email regarding their decision. Remember, the review process might take some time, so it's important to be patient while eBay examines the details of your report. And that's it. You've successfully reported feedback on eBay. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to maintain a fair and honest feedback profile on eBay. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.